Is your Instagram not growing? Same follower count for months, maybe even years? You've tried posting every day, new hooks, trial reels, trending sounds, tagging locations, even getting verified, and nothing really works. Here's the truth. The algorithm keeps changing, and it favors big creators with built-in momentum, leaving smaller accounts struggling to get seen, let alone get engagement. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that using a Chrome extension called Growify Z. Instagram's organic reach has been declining for years. It's harder than ever to grow without engagement, but you can't get engagement if nobody sees your content. It's a catch-22. So what's the way out? You have to take action first. You need to actively reach out, engage, and put your account in front of the right people. But doing that manually, scrolling, finding users, liking posts, takes hours every single day. That's exactly the problem Growify Z solves. Growify Z is a Google Chrome extension that automatically engages with real accounts in your niche on a daily schedule. It's not random or spammy. It's a smart, targeted engagement tool that puts your content in front of people who are already interested in what you post. Here's the psychology behind it. When you like someone's post, they get a notification. Most people, especially smaller creators, will check who liked it. They click on your profile. If your content is good, they'll engage back, maybe like a few posts, comment, or even follow you. And here's the part most people miss. Every action you take and every action you receive signals to Instagram that your account is active. And Instagram rewards active accounts. You're not just gaining individual followers, you're triggering the algorithm to work for you instead of against you. Activity builds authority. Authority creates reach, and reach grows your account. Getting started takes about 30 seconds. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Growify Z, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, you'll see the Growify Z icon in your top right corner. Click it and the dashboard loads instantly. You're in. The dashboard has 4 tabs: Queue, Settings, Activity, and Info. Queue tab. This is your action list. Every account you load here is who the app will engage with. You'll see usernames, follower counts, and status. At the bottom, you'll see how many likes, skips, hourly, and daily actions the app has performed. Settings tab. This is where you control everything. Set natural delays between actions, define your hourly and daily limits, all designed to keep your activity safe and natural. Activity tab. Every action is logged here. Likes, skips, everything. You get a clear daily breakdown of what's happening and why. Info tab. This is your guide. Best practices, safe limits, and tips to maximize growth without triggering any flags.
Now, let's talk about finding your audience the smart way. Don't load random accounts. Instead, find a post in your niche from a similar creator with a lot of comments. Why do we target commenters? Because someone who takes the time to comment is highly engaged and much more likely to engage back. These are your people. Open the post, click Growify Z on the corner, and hit Load Comments. The app runs in the background, pulling in all the commenters and filtering out private accounts, businesses, and high follower profiles, all based on your settings. What you're left with is a clean, high-quality list of real engaged users. While that's loading, go find more posts. Look for accounts you don't follow. Make sure you see that follow button on the top right corner. That ensures you're always targeting new people. The Explore page is another goldmine for finding new accounts. Browse through the posts, hover over the posts to see the comment counts, and load them in. You can go even deeper. Go into a popular account and check their pinned posts. These usually have massive engagement and are perfect for sourcing new users. Keep building your list until you hit around 2,000 to 3,000 accounts. The app will process and filter everything in the background. Give it a few minutes. Go grab a coffee. Once your list is ready, you're set to engage. But here's where it gets really powerful. Continuous mode. This is the Set It and Forget It feature. In the Settings tab, define your working hours, for example, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Growify Z will automatically run every day within that window, engaging with accounts while you focus on creating content, running your business, or just living your life. It works on autopilot for you. After a few days, once it cycles through your queue, just load in more accounts and keep the engagement going. It's like having a dedicated intern growing your account every single day without you lifting a finger. Consistency is key. Keep engaging daily and Instagram will start pushing your content to new audiences.
We've been running Growify Z across multiple accounts and have seen steady, consistent growth over time.
These are real results. No fake followers, no bots, no paid ads, just targeted, consistent engagement. And what's even better? You can run Growify Z on multiple accounts at the same time. Just open separate Chrome profiles, install Growify in each one, and run parallel growth systems. Grow your personal brand, your business, your side project, all at once. Or take it a step further. Offer this as a service. Brands, businesses, influencers, they all want growth, but don't have time to figure it out. You set it up, manage the queue, send monthly reports, and charge for it. The tool does the work. You get paid. It's a scalable, recurring revenue stream using nothing more than Chrome and a few minutes of setup. If your Instagram has been stuck, stop waiting for the algorithm to save you. Take control. Download Growify Z from the Chrome Web Store, link is in the description, and you can have your first engagement session running before this video ends. Subscribe for more AI tools and growth strategies. We've got more coming, including Reachify Z, designed to help you land clients and brand deals on Autopilot. Check out our website for more info. Thanks for staying until the end. Keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.